Alright guys, we're back. So, alright guys, I'm back. Ew, a June bug. Ew. Ew. I don't like June bugs. They're so nasty. Okay, alright guys, you're heading. Look guys, we got spectre alert, fire alarm. Got the security camera. They're doing construction over there, so just don't worry about that. But go ahead and get the yeah. Hey. Yep. Yeah, guys, we're gonna go up there. We're gonna go up there so we can watch Tech Trail. Okay, there we go. Yep.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you get it to go up. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you get it to go
Bob
up.
already got it. Don't press number 1, boys.
Boy, I'm trying to do a lot over that, boy.
Yeah, but guys, we're in the elevator.
All right.
See, guys, there's the station over there. We're here, guys. We're here. Oh, we already got a Tech Trail in the oh my God! We have another freight train again.
That freight train ain't coming this way. I gotta call you up today.
Oh my God! The freight train's coming. We got a freight train on this way. Oh my God, Papa, I was supposed to look down that track. I didn't totally know. Yeah, that's a freight train. Hey, Papa. It looks like the thing's moving. That thing looks like it's moving this way.
Come here.
Well, Papa, we got a freight train. Papa, remember? Oh, it's a Fort Worth Western. Never mind.
I tried to tell you that. You just won't listen. You just like him over in the next neighborhood. Hell, how you making it?
We got a Tech Trail. We got a Tech Trail in the shed, Papa.
What? Oh, okay. Well, anyway, I just, me and Janet, we're waiting on the train to come along, and we're going to go get the thing from work, and we'll go to Big A. Oh, we go? All right. Anyway, we'll talk to you at 12. Okay? All right. Bye. Hey, kid. Run down there and get my coffee for me. Okay?
Papa, I'm a rail fanner.
I don't care nothing about that rail fanning.
Papa, are you joking with me?
I'm not joking with you. I wouldn't do you that way.
Yes, you would.
I doubt it.
Don't say you without it, dude. I swear. I'm not getting that thing. I'm not getting it.
How come they got up? They don't have a red light.
What?
Oh, he's gone. I tried to tell you there.
Nope, Papa. I thought I just saw the light.
You gonna run that battery down. I know one thing, when we go eat, you're gonna have to leave that phone at the big A, get it charged up. They're gonna get a motel tonight, so they're not gonna stay the night with us, okay?
Dang it.
Well,
They're not coming?
no, they'll be here. But,
They'll be here?
yeah, now Jason's on his way.
From Midland?
Yeah, he's still quite a ways.
So he's gonna give him a motel after supper?
Yeah, they're gonna give him a motel. Here comes the TRE, the text rail. I seen him coming around the bend. He's on time. 3:27. If you push that against that screen, it's liable to mess that deal up.
No, it won't.
Yeah, right. I know a lot about them phones. You concentrate on this. I'll be watching forward lessons, sir. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, this is just about a perfect place. Nice, cool. It'd be great if I had my chair and my coffee. Run down there and get my coffee for me, will you? You hear me? Go ahead and get my coffee.
No.
Yeah. You take rail some other time.
No.
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
There you go. Now, you gonna get down there at the gate?
Yeah, to watch him.
Yeah, you get down there. I'm gonna watch this too, okay?
Hope after we're wrapped that, we're gonna go get Janine. We're gonna go get Janine.
Well, we'll see what time it is.
Bubba.
Yeah. couldn't believe we seen that that text rail pull out of that deal up there. He was gassed up. Now all we can do is wait.
Look.
See that? See that elevator?
Yeah.
He got a light on top of that thing. Got it.